Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I really want to sit down and talk to you guys about if buying silver today, is it going to hurt us in the future? Premiums today on silver are super inflated, and that's due to, mints being shut down, just the limited amount of stock some of these bullion dealers have. So that's really hurting us right now and jacking up premiums on silver. And so what concerns me is we're still buying silver and paying these inflated premiums, myself included. I'm still buying a little bit of silver here and there and sucking it up and paying the higher premiums. And then I started thinking the other day, by us buying silver right now and willing to pay the $5-6 above spot for some of these coins, are we setting a new standard for the future when it comes to how much online bullion dealers tack on for premiums and also coin shops, what they'll tack on as premiums? Most of the time, most coin shops and online bullion dealers weren't making a ton of money on us from silver. I mean, obviously, to keep the doors open, they're making money, that's for sure, but it's nothing like what it is today. And so we've been paying these high premiums for about 2 months now. Back in March, when spot price tanked and this whole pandemic started, premiums on silver skyrocketed. And so for about 2 months, 2.5 months, we've been still buying silver. And, at first we were kind of hesitant about buying silver since the premiums were so high. But then over the next, week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we kind of got acclimated to what folks were charging in terms of premiums on silver. And so, we all started buying silver. Some people have just decided not to buy silver at all and have been just kind of waiting for the premiums to come back down. But myself, I've been buying silver here and there. I took about a month off, not buying very much silver whatsoever. But after a month goes by, I just figured, this is kind of where we're at right now. And I figured we were going to be in this situation for a while. And so I started buying silver. And I really am skeptical that these online bullion dealers and coin shops are going to drop the premiums on silver. So a good example is spot price for silver jumped up quite a bit. And so I figured, the premiums on silver would kind of hold its own and kind of level out. And I was wrong. When spot price jumped up, the premiums jumped up as well. They didn't level off or maintain the same price as I thought they were going to be. I think bullion dealers and coin shops are kind of trying to make this a new standard. $5, $6, $7 on top of spot. I'm thinking that they realize that no matter what premiums they put on silver, silver stackers will end up buying it regardless. Which is true in a sense because we all are stacking for the future and it's a hedge against hyperinflation. It's a great way to save money. And so in a sense, I'd rather have silver or gold than money in the bank account. You should definitely have a pretty good size savings account, but ultimately, I'd rather have a decent savings account and a lot of silver and a lot of gold. So I'll continue to buy silver, even though the premiums are super high. I think from here on out, I'm going to cut back quite a bit on what I'm actually going to buy, just because I really don't think it's worth it for me to keep paying these higher premiums in the long run. I think it's going to hurt my overall stack average when it comes to cost of what I'm paying. And honestly, I think it's going to be hard to justify buying silver from here on out, just because I really think that if we continue to pay these inflated premiums, we might regret it down the road. You're already seeing a bunch of advertisements come through on email that online bullion dealers trying to spin this high premium in their favor. And so, for example, SD Bullion, sent out an email blast the other day advertising the 2020 Silver Britannias. It's a mint certified tube, and you can get each coin for $3.79 above spot, and they're advertising it, act now, buy now. It's such a great deal. You should just buy the whole tube and be happy to pay $3.79. And so I'm already kind of feeling that the online bullion dealers are kind of setting it up where they're just going to keep the high premiums from here on out. If it was me and I owned SD bullion, I would want to make as much premium as I could possibly make. Because obviously it's more money in my pocket. And so it's across the board. When you look at Silver Gold Bull, JM Bullion, APMEX, they're now doing flash sales where you can get 40% off premiums, but the premiums are still crazy high. I mean, who wants to pay $3.79 above spot for just one 2020 Silver Britannia? I totally understand that it's a great looking coin. It's silver and you want to stack as much silver as you can, but paying $3.79 above spot is a little much. And bear in mind, that's on sale. That's crazy to me. I do not consider that a good deal whatsoever, but I think they're going to continue to do this on a regular basis. So we kind of think that, paying $3.79 is normal. So I want to hear your guys' opinions about this. Do you think we're kind of shooting ourselves in the foot by buying silver right now and paying the inflated premiums? Are we screwed in the future where this becomes kind of the norm, paying higher premiums than what we did 4 months ago? Now, really, $2.50 above spot for American Silver Eagle sounds like a great deal compared to paying $6 above spot for American Silver Eagle right now. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm kind of over analyzing it, or are you guys kind of on the same page? Let me know, put some comments down below, and we'll talk to you later.